All right. Hi, girls. I apologize that I will not be in math today. I will be in the building, so I will see you in passing, but I wanted to allow you guys a chance to do the maze that I had been promising you all week, but we just needed to get those multiplying fractions down before we could do the maze, or you would get stuck and not get to the end. All right, so each of you should have gotten your maze from Miss Milioni. Please go ahead and write your name at the top. So if I was doing this, I would write my name at the top, and you can write yours alongside with me. Okay. Now, some materials that are going to be really helpful for you while you're working through this, and I will present them to you, would be a whiteboard. And if you need a marker, you can drop down in my room and grab one or borrow one from Miss Millie. Another tool that would be really helpful for you would be your 2 fraction study guides. They are the boring one, the improper fractions to a mixed number, okay? And you're changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. So grab them out of your math folders so you have them accessible. Now, I'm going to use a highlighter here. Okay, so you're going to start where it says begin, and our challenge here is the water bottle needs a table to flip on. So solve the multiplication problems to guide the water bottle to the table and follow the arrows with the correct answers and color in each arrow as you go. If you want to shade with your pencil instead of color, that's fine. You want to use colored pencils, crayons, whatever you want to do. I don't mind. So here we go. Here's our water bottle. We got to get it down here to the table so it can flip because that's what it likes to do. So we look at this first problem. You want to be looking for all the problems to solve that have a multiplication sign, right? Then immediately following it, it's always going to give you 2 options for an answer. You have to color in the arrow that is the correct one. So for example, our first problem is 4 times 3/5. 4 times 3/5. So I'll draw my little hint here with my arrow. What do we do? And the bottom stays the same. Now, you might get an answer that doesn't match either one of these. My hint to you while you're working on this is to remember to do your improper fraction to a mixed number, okay? Then choose your answer, color it in, move to the next one, all right? Now, you may work on this together if you would like to. So if you all 4 want to work together through it, if you want to work in groups of 2, please don't leave anybody out. And if you do choose to work together, please grab a clipboard and you may work on the front rug. But other than that, we need to be respectful of the other students in the classroom. We're not disrupting them. Okay? So remember all the skills that we've learned this week about multiplying whole numbers to fractions and then converting them back into mixed numbers, right? I'm going to be checking this tomorrow. I understand this is a lot of work, so if you don't get through it all, totally fine, but let's just try our best, okay? Other than that, hopefully I will see you this afternoon to say hello and ask you how you did this morning. All right, have a great rest of your math class. If you have any questions, ask Miss Millie. She can help you out the best that she can with the expectation for this. All right, girls, have a great time, and I'll see you soon.